Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you through scheduling a meeting in Google Meet. Let's dive in. First of all, come to Google Calendar and go to the top left and click on Create and click on Event. After clicking on Event, you'll see a pop-up window. Then click on More options at the bottom right. Next, give the event a title, such as How to Heroes, and set the date and time for the event. You can also set it to repeat if needed. You can set the event to occur weekly on Sunday. After that, you can add additional details to the event. Since it's a Google Meet, click on Add Google Meet Conference. Then you can include any additional information you'd like. Now, you can add guests to the event by clicking on Add Guests on the right side of the window. Simply start typing in their email addresses or names, and you can continue to add more guests as needed. Once you've added all the necessary details and guests, simply click on Save at the top of the window. This will save the event, and you can then send invitations to the guests so they can easily join the meeting. That's the end of today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and do subscribe for more.